Question 3. On 10 days, Stefan records the number of minutes he has to wait for a train. Complete a steam and leaf diagram to show this information. Okay, the key here, 0, 1 represent 1 minute. So this is 1, this is 3. So you done 1 and 3. And the next one is 4. You need to arrange. And then you 5. And then 5. Okay, for the 1, you have 11. So put 1 here. Then you have, next one is 12. Put 2. You know, okay. Okay, we have 8 more here. 1 here. And then for the 2, 23, and 24. Find the median. Median, you need to arrange and find the middle. Or we just cut 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, this will be the middle. You plus the 2, 5 plus 8 divided by 2. You should get 6.5. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.